Alright guys, so jumping into it, we are going to start with the hot pink shade inside of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to put that all in our crease. And right here I'm taking a empty brush and just blending out those harsh lines. Now we're going to take the purple color and we're going to add it in the crease also, and we're going to put it mainly like in the crease area, but also kind of blend it up. You want to leave a little bit of the pink showing, but you do want to cover some of it. We will be blending a lot in this video. That's the key to this eye look. You really have to blend out those eyeshadows to get a nice, good look. Now with the black shade, you're gonna begin to create a halo eye. So you just put it on the outer V in the inner, kind of like the inner corner, and where you're gonna see me pretty much go back and forth, blending between the black and the purple. After I add the black, I take that same blending brush I was using with the purple color and I go back in with a little bit of purple just to kind of intensify the color. And I'm going to be bouncing back and forth, adding more black, more purple, more black, more purple until I get the look that I want. Now with a concealer, you're going to take it and add it to the center part of the lid so that the eye color that we put on will stand out a little bit more. Now here, this isn't really necessary, but I took a white shimmery eyeshadow and I put it in the middle of the halo eye that I created. The point of this was to try to get this blue shade right here to kind of be like two-dimensional or whatever. I really don't know the word, but basically it didn't work. So you don't have to add that white eyeshadow. Now take a small blending brush with a little bit of black, and I kind of put a little bit of purple on there too, and I'm gonna blend out that halo eye to get rid of those super harsh lines that we have. And yet again, I'm adding some more black because we did lose a little bit of it when we were blending out those harsh lines. So like I said, you're going to be going back and forth until you get that diffused look. Now this part didn't so much agree with me either, but I put it in here obviously because that's what the End result was, I mean, it didn't come out too bad, but I took the NYX white eyeliner and I just put it inside the crease. And right here, I take the same purple shade and put it on top. And now we're gonna do a winged liner. Now after you do your wing liner, just add your lashes and you're ready to go, girl. And I did forget to record me doing my lower lash line, but all I did was add the purple in that same green color. I just put it on my lower lash line and blended it out, and that was it. And added some highlight on my inner corner also. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it came out. Don't get me wrong, my white liner is a little messed up, but wasn't nobody about to go try to correct that and just jack it up even more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys another option for somebody that's not as dramatic as the white liner in the very bold lip. This is just a lip gloss by MAC. It is in the color Love Child, and I just honestly, that NYX white liner, it cakes so bad. I just put my brush in there and rubbed it out, and it fell straight out. So this is more wearable if you want to wear it out.